Modern artificial intelligence doesn't rely on handwritten rules. Instead, it learns its behavior directly from massive streams of data and information. We are diving into Chapter 2, How AI Works at a High Level. Specifically, Section 2, Data and Patterns, the Fuel for the Machine. To understand exactly what fuels machine learning, we will step through 5 areas: what counts as data, why quantity matters, the necessity of quality, what a pattern actually is, and how machines find them. A computer lacks human intuition. Its ability to solve problems or make accurate predictions relies entirely on the specific fuel it consumes. Section 2.1. What counts as data? At its most basic level, data is simply information recorded in a format that a computer can process and work with. You create this constantly. Every text message sent, every song streamed, daily step counted, and link clicked leaves a digital footprint. This dashboard shows 4 data categories AI learns from: text, images, numbers, and sound. This material is harvested from 3 sources: the open internet, physical sensors, and digital records. A spam filter needs massive piles of real emails already labeled spam or not spam. Without those examples, the system has nothing to learn from. This raises a necessary privacy pause. The vast majority of the data currently powering artificial intelligence was originally created by ordinary people. Before sharing details online, it is worth asking 3 questions. Would I be comfortable if this were stored and reused later? Am I sharing someone else's private details? And could this be used in a way I did not intend? Pausing before you share is a practical defense. Casual daily digital activity is the literal raw material harvested to build global AI infrastructure. Section 2.2. Quantity. Why AI needs so many examples. Because artificial intelligence only knows what the data shows it, it operates at a massive scale. It relies strictly on the volume of examples provided. Think of a child learning the word dog. Seeing one small brown dog is insufficient to recognize a large white one. The child needs to see dogs in many shapes, sizes, and colors. AI works similarly, but requires far more examples. This variety enables generalization. Generalization is a system's ability to accurately handle brand new, unseen examples because it was trained on a wide range of data. A spam filter trained on diverse junk mail can catch an entirely new scam email because it recognizes underlying similarities in the text. But sheer quantity is useless if the examples are too similar or of low quality. More of the same data does not teach the system anything new. A high quantity of varied examples is essential to build an AI that can navigate the unpredictable real world, rather than one that merely memorizes a few specific instances. Section 2.3. Quality. Garbage in, garbage out. The rule of garbage in, garbage out means that a system fed bad information will mathematically produce bad results, regardless of its processing power. Clean data is accurate, consistent, and correctly labeled. Messy data is riddled with wrong labels, duplicates, missing information, and blind spots. Even clean data can be compromised if it is skewed. Skewed data vastly overrepresents certain situations while completely ignoring others. If a voice assistant is trained primarily on speakers with a single accent, it will struggle to understand anyone outside of that specific demographic. This introduces bias. Bias occurs when a system relies on skewed training data, leading directly to unfair results for certain groups of people. This causes real-world harm. Early facial recognition systems frequently misidentified individuals with darker skin tones because their training datasets predominantly featured lighter-skinned faces. The machines learned those faces more reliably. This grid breaks down the 4 pillars of data quality required to prevent these failures. Data must be accurate in its labels, representative of the real world, relevant to the specific task, and sufficient in variety. An AI system is mathematically blind to its own flaws. Biased or messy data ensures the resulting machine will confidently replicate human prejudices. Section 2.4. What a pattern actually is. To turn raw data into meaning, we look for patterns. A pattern is simply a relationship between variables that repeats consistently. This scatterplot shows what happens when 2 or more things tend to appear together. Out of the random noise, a relationship begins to form. The more consistently those variables appear together, the stronger and more visible the pattern becomes. You see everyday patterns when umbrella sales rise alongside a rain forecast, or when a music app notices you skip slow songs on weekday mornings. Artificial intelligence excels at searching through millions of examples to detect highly complex, subtle combinations of patterns that human analysts would easily miss. Patterns serve as the hidden structural blueprints within raw data, allowing machines to extract predictive logic from seemingly random behavior. Section 2.5. How machines find patterns. Machines find these patterns mechanically. They compare millions of examples, keeping a running mathematical tally of what appears together. There is no human understanding involved. Looking behind the algorithm of a spam filter, a word like invoice might appear equally in spam and normal mail. This leaves the tallies balanced. However, a phrase like wire transfer now heavily spikes the spam tally, creating a strong mathematical signal. Massive datasets are required to ensure the machine learns a truly dependable pattern, one that appears consistently, rather than a random coincidence. Yet even strong patterns only describe what appeared in the specific examples fed to the machine. They are not universal truths. Data is recorded information. Generalization requires quantity. Fairness requires quality, and AI finds repeating patterns through mechanical tallying. An AI is only as capable, fair, and safe as the raw data it ingests. This sets the critical foundation for the actual model training that happens next.